Earlier this week, I did a quick video on separating tomato plants. The reason for that is that the AeroGarden seed pods oftentimes have multiple seeds in them, and so you'll have multiple plants coming up out of the pod. Now, these are sponges that the AeroGarden uses, and so what I did was I sliced down and extracted the different tomato seedlings, took new sponges, sliced, inserted one per sponge, and then dropped those into this AeroGarden. So this is 9 days later, and just to let you know what's going on, it does appear to be successful. The plant that I just showed you is one that came up about a week after the others here, and is quickly catching up. Now this one only had one seed that germinated, but the other pod that I had these three extras in it. Now this is the original pod. I took the top sticker label off, and the roots are looking nice on it. So I'm going to stick that back down in there. Try to get the roots to go back down into the water. The two that you see over here, this one has some roots sticking out, but not as much as the one I just showed you. And oh, look at that! This one has better root development, and the biggest one that I've saved for last. Let's pull that out. Has even more root development on it. So you could tell that the methodology that I used on the last video does work quite well. I would venture to guess that this one is a little bit larger because inside of the AeroGarden, the pump tends to circulate and run, in my opinion, the strongest right in about the center, as well as the LED light tends to bathe the plant more uniformly versus being on the outer edges of the garden. But the process and the plants are looking fantastic right now. I'm not going to leave all these in this garden. That would be too crowded. I am getting ready to pull these out and put them into a larger hydroponics system. And the plants I wanted to get established before I move those into the bigger system. And I think that based off of what we've seen on the roots, I should be able to do that right now. But this is just a, like I said, a 9-day update to let you guys know how well this has worked out for me.